And but it used to be like a game, like I'm going to get this line. And, I had a lot of trouble with it. I had trouble. And even I remember when I wanted to get Beanie Babies.
Oh,
It wasn't about being a pharmacy. They just didn't want to open another account in my area. And, like I had to like work it until
Beanie
I
Babies.
had Beanie
Holy shit.
Babies.
Took me back on that one.
Yeah. Oh my God. I know. I know. Over the years, I feel like I've seen every trend come and
Exactly.
go and come again. Not beanies, but things that you just thought were never going to be popular again start showing up again.
It all comes back
It
around.
all it does. It does. And the challenge is making it fresh for a new generation.
Yeah.
Because what they think is brand new, you're like, oh, again, and yet you have to get excited about it. I try to, that's my like challenge these days, is to keep things exciting and keep things new for the newer generations.